Our stitch pattern for today calls for a multiple of 6 chains plus 2 at the end. So make your slip knot and start your foundation chain in multiples of 6, and at the end you add 2 more chains. So I have made my foundation chain in multiple of 6, and I will just add 2 at the end. To start our first row, make 1 single crochet on the second chain from the hook, skip 2 chains, and on the next chain make 5 double crochets. So you're just going to repeat, skipping 2 chains, 1 single crochet on the next chain, skipping again 2 chains, and 5 double crochet on the third chain. So that will be our repeat for the first row. So skip 2 chains, and on the next one make 1 single crochet, alternating the single crochet and our 5 double crochets, skipping 2 chains. To end this row, you will end up with 3 chains left, so skipping the next 2 and 1 single crochet on the next chain. Chain 3. Our chain 3 will be counted as our first double crochet. Turn your work, and on the first chain make 2 double crochets. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, and on the next chain make 1 single crochet. Skipping the next 2 chains, on the next chain make 5 double crochets. Again, skip the next 2 chains or the next 2 double crochets of the previous round, and on the middle double crochet on top of it make 1 single crochet. On the chain 1, we skip these 2 double crochets, and on this chain 1 make 5 double crochets. So this will be the repeat for our second row. Skip the next 2 double crochets, on the next one make 1 single crochet, skip the next 2 double crochets on the chain 1 of the previous row, make 5 double crochets. So we are almost at the end. Skipping again our 2 double crochets, 1 single crochet on the next chain, skipping again these 2 double crochets, and on the single crochet that we made, we're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet, skipping these 2 double crochets, and on the chain 1 that we made of the previous round, we're going to make 5 double crochets. So for the third row, we're just repeating what we did on the first row. So again, skipping 2 chains, single crochet, skip the next 2, on the next chain 5 double crochet. Skipping the next 2 chains, 1 single crochet on the next one, skip the next 2 and 5 double crochets again on the next chain. So you will just be repeating rows 2 and 3 for your entire project. And on our turning chain, we're just going to make 1 single crochet. So 1, 2, and 3. So for the next round, again, chain 3. Your chain 3 will be counted as your first double crochet. Turn your work on the very first chain, make 2 double crochets. So this is just a repeat of the second row. So skipping 2 chains, make 1 single crochet. Skipping 2 chains, 5 double crochets on the next chain. You can just pause and play, or you can just repeat where our second row is or our third row is, because this is just a basic repeat of the first and the second row. So all odd rows will be the same and all even rows will be the same, starting with chain 3. For our first or all the odd rows, we're going to chain 1 in the beginning and a single crochet at the end.